Abubakar Doumbouya. So there is tell na Kuwait na for can suffer. They tell you say we can work. Oh, the work we can for work na the hotel they will pay we $700. And they pay we. So come who left for family then they who can also. Yeah, the kind suffer, oh, they suffer na yami people. Now God one good and sabi. Not to enjoy with the enjoy na Kuwait, na suffer with the suffer na Kuwait. And right now, what they talk to na so. Me friend, me party, they all, me sister, they all do. They suffer. Some they not getting for it. If you see with sister there, who don't know say yeah, pikina, then pray God. Let God go to long life with your body. But Kuwait here no easy for we. Mr. AKK, Mr. Latu, Mr. Wood, what they call Abubakar Doumbouya. They all, because they say they get hands over the APC. Because if the same person I also, Alex said the president, no, na case they left both because they get hands. They get saying na the APC. So who knows says that the president back all the bien under this issue because you don't say oh sister they send a voice message and the president no want him out first for we. You know want take them people there so let's test it. Yeah, they kill some of the sister they will know. They kill they suffer na ya. Some of who they run away with the common do for can save no more life there. Not get pussy with the help we. If we go back na embassy. Salon embassy na Kuwait, who go they say no to the country, they not get hands over with. So then they suffer na yaso. They suffer. So me I not get nothing for say. If you go say I go see me people back na salon, na so God see. If you go say na so back I get for lost my life, na so I get for lost my life. And that man what they call Abubakar Doumbouya. In county woman na ya, the woman they pass suffer. The woman they pass serious suffer. The woman. If you call an house safe, the bank phone tara. The woman they pass serious suffer na ya. In there and they enjoy. The woman they pass suffer na ya. The woman I said, oh, now we don't come on do. So then they all AKK knock out woman. Mr. Lato knock out woman. Mr. O knock out woman. But another man they call Abubakar Doumbouya. Na in count woman. Woman right there, they pass suffer na Kuwait. They pass suffer. They why they talk to you so. Na my best friend. Na my best friend na Kuwait. They pass suffer. So the president, me I know say what Mr. Lato they say Mr. AKK, Mr. Udo, na man they call Abu. I know say na true because they say they get hands over the APC. They say they get hands over the APC. So anything, unless they are able to, they don't let for do the Nazi. So we take and say na true. So unless no one grab for fetch for we. We don't take and say what did them man the man then talk say they get hands over the APC. So now make them case they go in vain. So na true. But unless na for realize say now who make it that today is she don't have that power day. Any carry who dance for you. If you don't say any difficult thing, if they go on na a country, if they bad thing they go na a country, if they bad thing there, if they bad news, unless by right get right for grab and map fetch for we. Let name no go, let name no point. Then they say president na they fetch for we so. But look, what a company president what a company country there. Then Ethiopia, Uganda, Sri Lanka, this thing. They fight for them. They don't stop there. They don't stop there. Philippines, Sri Lanka, Nepali. They all don't stop. They don't stop. They not for Ghana create again. And what they do now say, then all the one already they send them na create for can they all them they sentence them for how many years? But what we now? Why make the president not get mind fetch for we sentence them to play out for we? What we? So who country is so sorry. Not get post with the team up fetch for we. Not better. Anes baku abu pa ibaku in effect for. So they take us anes they na all na the same thing. You know the same. Oh, they now they suffer. No get person who they fight for me. Then Sri Lanka, what the president ready for fight for them. Now the one the baby they pull them from the county, they count their ass. Now then first they sentence. Because the now president no say you no mix, you no did. But honest, me I tell you this, I want lady miss me voice message, then reach to you. Since you and did by this sky what you call. I see Mr. Lato, Mr. AKK, Mr. Wood now what you call Abubakar Dumbuya. What see they talk? What did they talk? And so they not just say they get hands over you, they get hands over the APC. Any total talk, any total then what they would take on an effort. They case they need pass not true. Una for fight for we. Una the big one, una grapple, una fight for we. Right now, now they suffer. Then Cameroon, then Cameroon, the president don't send 3 planes for them can get that all the Cameroon picking their sister, they send them back now the council, but we will not get possible the fight for we. Cameroon president, they fight for them, but we will not get. So. Uda no say get in pikile pray go out of long life football body. But we can't really the kind of situation we deal with na create. You know okay for we dey suffer. You know okay for we dey suffer. Right now we don't on our way, we don't Canada. How for come out for go fair work? How for come out for go find job? How for come out for go fencing for it? We no get. They pass suffer. So that no say in getting picking then pray God do. Then go make him go to long life football body. But create not easy. Create like na slave, na pass slave. I blancy Arab people the wicked. And the wickedness I no see it. I no see it. We dey work 24 hours and they rest safe. You need a rest 24 hours they work. Some madam they throw oil with person. Some madam they throw hot water with maid. Would they suffer? Then they surrender now. AKK there, Mr. Wood, Mr. Lato, that man we call Abubakar Dumbuya. They all sit down there. They don't enjoy the money. We're ready for Canada, so we pay there. So me, I don't get nothing for say. Nothing, I don't get nothing for say. I pray God, let God go with me with long life, with well body. Now also no more I stop. So the voice message I want to send out to each person. Let's send out all over. You get his sister, you get your brother America, you get his sister London now, you get your uncle any part of the country. Let us send this voice message. If unnecessary read the voice message, I believe say the fight for it, they grab it, they fight for it. They then send out all over the world. They then send out. Yeah? Me now also no more at the stop. If unnecessary read this voice message, let's send. Then fight for it. If unnecessary read the voice message, then fight for it. Then send me what me want for do for the one they will then send on her. They then sentence them. They then sentence them. Let them sentence the baby me na dande if they ask me na dande me they give. Then you not put full stop to them because they need to ever stop. Some of me company them pass with na Guinea. Some of me company na Guinea them pass with them. But women all pass na Salon airports. Or some of the company na Guinea na them pass with them. Yes. So, why make them pass with a Guinea? And that man who they call Abubakar Dumbuya. Now, in get one of uncle when I don't know if uncle either I would say call I don't know because in a Guinea. So then they all. So what them block na salon now in na chest. He say for go na this na Guinea. So na Guinea na some of the company them pass with here. So what them don't block here now. So na Guinea now them pass with here. So me na also me they stop and I get nothing for talk. me na ask me the stop. Yeah. So unless if you're reading voice message, let grab effect for it. If not for that day, we measure. Like I know don't they come Mr. Lato, they don't say then case they need pass because the case they need pass because they get hands over the APC. So they take and say annex back the all na the all lady. So na so. Annex na for realize who dance for in a salon any kind way who dance for you for grab effect for you. Yeah? Now this voice message no man the same. And this one man gets for talk.